Hey you guys, I thank you so much for stopping to watch another video. So in today's video I'll be making this amazing shrimp lo mein. Now let's cook. Now guys, the veggies I'll be using for my lo mein, we have some mushroom, green and red bell pepper, some garlic, to bring out the flavor, red onion, some green onions. We'll also be using some sweet snap pea and also some bean sprouts. And guys, you can add just about any vegetables you like to your lo mein. These are just my preference. Now I'll be cutting my vegetables in julienne. And as I said, you guys, you can cut your vegetables whatever shape you like. This is your lo mein. Cut your veggies whichever size or cut you like, guys.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
Now guys, to cook my lo mein, I'll be following the package instruction which states to cook it in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, now while I'm waiting for my water to boil, I'm just going to season my shrimp. And I'll be seasoning my shrimp with the Maggi all-purpose season. Y'all already know that I use this in everything that I do. Some black pepper, paprika, and Old Bay season. So okay, now guys, that my water has started to boil, I'll be adding my noodles as it says to cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. And these are the egg noodles. It's kind of hard to find noodles that says lo mein. So yeah, just look for a package that says egg noodles, and that's fine. Okay, now guys, our noodles is just about ready. Now I'm pouring that in a colander, and I'm just going to run some cold running water on that just to start the cooking process.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim.
Okay, now guys, what I'm doing is I'm just putting that on a paper towel and I'm just gonna pat that dry because I want it to retain its texture, which is a bit crunchy. It's not like, you know, the regular noodles. It's not mushy, or you know, it's kind of have this crunchy texture, so I want to retain that by drying it off. Now guys, I'm gonna pour 2 tablespoons of canola oil in my wok and I'm just gonna sear my shrimp until they're tender, which will take about 2 to 3 minutes. And remember not to overcook it or else it's gonna be tough and rubbery. So now guys, I'm removing my shrimp and it's time to saute my vegetables. Oh guys, before I forget, I went ahead and I add 1 tiny jalapeno pepper just to give it a kick, and also some ginger. And you're just gonna saute those until they're tender. And guys, by this time your kitchen, the entire house is supposed to smell amazing. If it doesn't, just throw the entire pot away, okay?
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit...
Now I'm gonna add some sesame oil, about 1 teaspoon, because it's a little goes a long way guys. And this is gonna give it that toasty scent and taste. Now for my sauce to pour over my noodles, we have some hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. And you're just gonna mix it and set it aside. Now I'm adding back my shrimp to my veggies, then I'll be adding my noodles. And you're just gonna toss that until it's combined. Then I'll be pouring over my sauce, and yeah, just continue mixing that up.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word.
And there you have it, guys. Our shrimp lo mein is ready. And guys, this is served hot or warm with, you know, soy sauce to pass around the table. And you can also drizzle a little bit of chili oil to that if you like. And yeah, that's the end of our video, guys. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, comment, share, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.